In this video, I'm going to show you how to dictate PDFs with ChatGPT in a simple, fast, and practical way. If you have a PDF and you want ChatGPT to help you summarize it, extract key points, turn it into notes, or even read it back in a more digestible format, this is the workflow you need. This is especially useful for students, researchers, business owners, and anyone who works with long documents and wants to save time. And if you enjoy tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or on your mobile device. Once you're on the main chat screen, look at the message bar at the bottom. You should see an attachment icon, which may look like a paperclip or a plus sign depending on the device you're using. That icon is what allows you to upload files into the chat. Now click that attachment icon. On desktop, you'll usually see an option like Upload from Computer. On mobile, you may see your device storage or file picker open automatically. Select the PDF file you want to work with. If the file is already saved on your computer or phone, just browse to it and choose it. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the PDF directly into the ChatGPT window. That's often the quickest method on desktop because you don't have to go through extra menus. Once the PDF is attached, you'll see it appear as a file bubble in the message area. That tells you the upload worked correctly. At this point, you need to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want it to do with the PDF. For example, you can type something simple like, dictate this PD, but you'll usually get better results if you give more specific instructions. You could ask it to summarize the document, list the main points, convert it into bullet notes, explain it in plain English, or extract action items from it. For example, you might type, read this PDF and give me a clear summary of the main ideas, or turn this PDF into simple notes that I can study from. If the document is long, you can also ask ChatGPT to break it down section by section. The more specific your prompt is, the more useful the response will be. After you type your instruction, press enter and let ChatGPT process the file. Depending on the length of the PDF, it may take a few moments to analyze the content. Once it finishes, you'll get a text response based on the information in the document. If the result is not exactly what you want, don't worry. You can follow up with another prompt and refine it. For example, you can ask for shorter notes, simpler wording, a table of contents, or even questions and answers based on the PDF. This back and forth is where ChatGPT becomes really powerful because you can keep shaping the output until it matches your goal. Another helpful tip is to use ChatGPT for specific tasks inside the PDF, not just general summaries. You can ask it to find important dates, explain technical language, compare sections, identify keywords, or pull out anything that looks like a takeaway. That makes it much easier to work through long reports, guides, contracts, or study materials. If your PDF includes a lot of text, you may also want to ask ChatGPT to organize the content into headings and subheadings. That can turn a dense document into something much easier to review. You can even ask it to create a study guide, a checklist, or a short version of the document depending on what you need. One thing to remember is that ChatGPT works best when your instructions are clear. Instead of saying, just help me with this PDF, try saying exactly what kind of output you want. For example, summarize this PDF in 5 bullet points, or explain this PDF as if I'm a beginner. Those kinds of prompts usually produce much better results. And if you're working with several PDFs, you can repeat the same process one file at a time and use the same style of prompt for each one. That makes it a great workflow for research, content planning, studying, and document review. So to recap, the process is simple. Open ChatGPT, click the attachment icon, upload your PDF, type your instruction, and press enter. From there, ChatGPT can help you summarize, dictate, explain, or organize the contents of the file in seconds. It's a very easy way to save time and get more value out of your documents. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful AI tips and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.